Hello everyone. Infertility or the inability to conceive affects around 186 million people globally. Assisted reproductive technologies like in vitro fertilization have helped many people achieve their dream of parenthood. This has given rise to fertility tourism, that is, many patients are now traveling abroad for their IVF treatment. There are now even IVF packages available. These provide comprehensive treatment to patients. So let's dig deeper into what IVF is and how these IVF packages are helping patients. So let me start by asking you, why do you think IVF is becoming so popular?
So, as you rightly pointed out, the global fertility tourism market is growing and at a fast rate. Earlier in 2021, the market was valued at $417 million, but by 2030, it is expected to expand at a rate of approximately 30%. Talking specifically about IVF treatments, the success rate is generally high and it is dependent on various factors like age of the patient, their previous fertility issues, and their family history. And women who are in the age group of below 35 have a success rate of about 54.4%, and women who are in the age group of 35 to 37 are expected to have a success rate of 41.1%, which is a pretty good success rate. So the cases of medical tourism for IVF are rising due to various factors like parents are increasingly choosing to conceive in later ages, and there are increased cases of infertility. There are many reasons why medical tourism is helping these patients, like there's a improvement in medical infrastructure in various countries. There are improved devices and superior functionality in healthcare sector. So yeah, all of that combined together is helping a lot of patients in their fertility treatment.
So like you pointed out that since many people are now traveling abroad, so what do you think, which countries are the most popular destinations for receiving IVF treatment?
Yeah, so there are many countries which are gaining attention and popularity for IVF treatment recently, but major focus and most of the countries are concentrated in the European region. And talking about countries, Spain, Thailand, Malaysia, and Belgium are also gaining popularity among patients for their excellent infrastructure and state-of-art technologies in infertility treatment.
Okay, so like let's talk more about these IVF packages. So how do you think these are helping patients, avail the best treatment?
So, I personally believe that IVF treatment is a very personalized choice, and every patient has their own set of fertility issues that they have been dealing previously, and they have their own family history and other multiple factors that have to be considered. So, a country should be chosen based on all of the factors, and other than that, when a patient is choosing for a treatment package, I think that Medigens can provide them an excellent option, because we have a pool of certified and well-educated IVF experts in our team, and except that, patient can get 24/7 assistance from a care team. They will get hotel arrangements and medical vouchers and doctor appointments. So it's a premium package and it's a holistic care they get. So it's a great option for them. And other than that, although there are a lot of statistics pointed at the success rate, and which is the best option for them to consider country wise or city wise, but in the end it's a personal choice. So I think that patients should only go for a treatment when they are feeling internally motivated.
Undergoing IVF treatment abroad comes with many uncertainties. Besides thinking about reaching your destination, you also have to worry about things like accommodation and recovery. Our pre-bundle packages are designed while taking care of all your needs. With us, you don't need to worry about such things, and we will connect you with the best expert and best hospital in the destination of your choice. And you will also get many value-added services with our packages. So if you are looking for an IVF treatment abroad, you can count on us to make it a wonderful experience for you. That's it for today. We will see you again next time. Thank you.